Which of the following data sets have outliers? Select all that apply. All right, I'm going to move these over a little bit to give us a little bit more room. Let's begin. So here we have a median of 22. Therefore, the lower quartile will be the average of 13 and 18, which is 15.5. And the upper quartile will be the average of 25 and 100, which is 62.5. So the IQR is 47. 1.5 IQR equals 70.5. And so the lower limit is negative 55, so way over here. So there's no lower outlier here. And the upper limit equals 133, which is way over here. So there are no outliers here. So not A. Moving on to B, we have center of the data here. Therefore, the lower quartile is 52 and the upper quartile is 79, giving us an IQR of 27. 1.5 times 27 is 40.5, giving us a lower limit of 11.5, which is below the lowest number here, so there's no outlier down here, and the upper limit of 119.5, which is over here, so there are no outliers in B. All right, moving on, we have C. All right, we have the median here is the average of these two, so we can just split the data in half. The lower quartile is going to be the average of 15 and 17, which is 16. The upper quartile will be the average of 29 and 31, which is 30, giving us an IQR of 30 minus 16, which is 14. 1.5 IQR equals 21, giving us a lower limit of negative 5, which is below the lowest number here, so there's no outlier there, and an upper limit of 51. So 75 here is an outlier, so C has an outlier. And then finally we have D. So if we choose 35 as our median, so the lower quartile is 25, the upper quartile is 40, giving us an IQR 40 minus 25, which is 15. 1.5 times IQR equals 22.5, giving us a lower limit of 2.5. So this 1 is an outlier, and an upper limit of 62.5. So we just have the 1 outlier there. So the answer is C and D, and our outliers are 75 and 1.